And August Brown Collection has proudly operated as a referral-only business for over 8 years. Recently, we have decided to channel our focus on the areas that have made the most impact on our clients: personal and professional development. We have a fast-track, real-time approach. We meet people where they are while creating customized, digestible strategies that embody passion and connection with fun, real-time results. In 2016, founder Jamila Lamont made a decision to redirect our scope of services. AABC moved from business development and strategic consulting to coaching and development. We give clients what they have grown to rely on: a direct, hands-on coaching practice that offers our clients the tools and resources they need and rapid results they seek. With our new focus comes the evolution of the brand, with a new name, AABC Development. Our purpose remains the same. We meet people where they are currently and support them in where they want to be in all areas of life, which include balance of physical health, emotional well-being, relationships, finance, and much more. We continue to promote and encourage individuals and groups to connect with their passion and purpose in life. Our services continue to evolve and empower our clients in the areas of personal and professional development, relationship building, retention support services, professional training courses, motivational speaking, coaching, and goal training. Our promise: you will receive customized programs designed specifically for you based on our groundbreaking GIP profile assessment strategy, utilizing self-actualization and purpose discovery, connection and passion identification, customized methods of peaking potential. We offer a blank canvas style of support that allows you to paint a new picture of who and what you want to be. Live your most authentic you. We encourage you to embrace living in your full purpose as you realize your desired goals. For more information on an August Brown Collection, please visit us at www.aabcdevelopment.com. To arrange a complimentary consultation, email us at info@aabcdevelopment.com, and be sure to follow us on social media at AABC Development. Thank you for your continued support of our mission, passion, and business to provide real life, real words, real talk.